Hi everybody, today I'd like to show you a new way to check out books from our media center at Ocean Breeze Elementary. The first thing I'm going to need you to do is to log into your Launchpad and get it all open. Once you're in your Launchpad, you are going to look for the app that says Follett Destiny. It's a dark green app. It looks like this. If you cannot find it on your Launchpad, you can come up to this search bar where you see the magnifying glass and type in Follett. As you're typing it in, it will narrow down your apps on your Launchpad until you find the dark green Follett Destiny app. Go ahead and click on that app, the dark green Follett Destiny app. Once you have clicked on it, you may see a screen like this. This is a list of all of the schools in Brevard County. So they are in alphabetical order, and I want you to scroll down until you find the O for Ocean Breeze. Click on Ocean Breeze Elementary. If you see this page, I want you to find where it says Destiny Discover over here on the left. Click on Destiny Discover, and it will open up this page. Now, once you are on this page, you can search for whatever book you like. I'm going to search for Star Wars, and I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to start my search. Once you are here, I want to show you a couple things that you're going to want to look for. One of those things is, what type of book is it? This one right here has a little red book, and it says the word book. That means it's a physical copy of a book that you can open up and turn the pages. These books are located on our shelves in the Media Center. And then another thing you're going to look for is this green tag at the top that says in. That means that it is in our Media Center and available for you to check out. Down here you will see the hold button. And once you find that just right book for you that you really want to check out from the Media Center, you are going to click on that hold button. But for now, let's scroll down and see what other options might become available. If you noticed, most of these say in, and most of these have the red book and say the word book. But I want to scroll down till I see something different, just so you know your other options. Now this one says out. That means we do have the actual physical copy of the book, but somebody has checked it out right now. So if you see that red out tag, that means that book is not available right now. So keep scrolling down. Another thing you might see is something other than a physical book. So we're going to scroll down until we find that. And right here is where it says e-book. Now, ebook is not a physical copy of a book, but a book that you could read online. If you are an e-learner at home, this might be a great option for you so that you don't need to find and pick up physical copies of books, but you could actually read a book right off of your computer. My classroom students can also get ebooks, and whenever they are on the computer, they can read those ebooks. You will be checking them out through Sora, and you do that by clicking on this open button here. So now that we've gone through a couple different options, let's find a physical copy of a book. So we're looking for that little red book and the word book, because we want to check one out straight from our library bookshelves, and we want to be able to open that book up and turn pages. We want to make sure that that book is in, so we're looking for that green tag up at the top that says in. And then once we've decided that this is our favorite book, and this is definitely the book that we want to check out, we're going to click on the button that says hold. That hold button tells Mrs. B and I that that is the book that you want. Mrs. B and I will be able to pull that book right off of the shelf for you and deliver it to your classroom. That is how you are going to be checking out books this school year. It's such an exciting new way to do things, and I'm so excited for you to get started. So please go ahead and walk through your Launchpad, getting into Destiny Discover, finding that favorite book of yours, and I want you to go ahead and put a hold on whichever book you want to read next, and we will be delivering it to your classroom. Go ahead and do that now.